Last time we left it here. Let's start by aligning the objects we have drawn. For aligning the two or more objects, first we need to select them together. For that, go to Object on the menu bar and select Align. Here we need vertical alignment. Now let's align them along the top-bottom centers. The process must be similar, right? All we need to do is to select all the objects and then choose Align along the top-bottom center option in Align menu. But it didn't work. Let's undo the last action by pressing Ctrl and Z button together. We can group the arrow and the sodium borohydride into one object, and then top-bottom alignment will work more efficiently. Let's see how. Now, let's align the objects along the top-bottom centers and see whether it works or not. But the objects are not equally spaced. For that, just group the names of the structures on either sides of the arrow with their structures. Now just select all the grouped objects, and then distribute them horizontally as shown here. Now let's write the mechanism of this reaction. We can start by copying the reagent for this reaction, which is sodium borohydride. The most annoying thing is this error mark for the chemical warning. Let's fix it first. You can see what actually I did by writing the charges of the ions in the clip shown here. I have fast-forwarded the repetitive steps for convenience. Note that when this formula button is pressed, the formula you will type will be corrected automatically. Let's go further with the rest of the mechanism. In the mechanism, we will be using these arrows more frequently, so let's separate the arrows toolbar from the main toolbar. Now let's move further by copying the reactant molecule, and then rest of the mechanism will be shown by the attack of hydride ion on its carbonyl electrophilic center. Rest of the mechanism is simple, right? But if you want me to talk on other mechanisms, just leave a comment below. I will make a video on that mechanism soon. To add a negative charge on an atom, just select it and hit minus key on your keyboard, or find the sign in chemical symbol button of the main toolbar, and then click the atom which needs to be charged. Most of the operations you need to perform now are just grouping, ungrouping, aligning the objects to the left, right and top bottom centers which have been shown in the beginning of this video. In this way, you can make your work on ChemDraw look nice and sleek. So that's it for today, and just let me know through your comments if you want more such videos.